Alright, so morning of the eclipse, we've got some clouds, but they look like they're heading southwest out of our way. We're currently at Kenyon's grandma's house. Actually, these little solar lights, I kind of want to take one and see if it turns on during the eclipse. The funny thing is, we've got all of this commotion about seeing an eclipse, but there's an eclipse happening right now. You see, the Earth is blocking the sun. I guess the difference is, of course, that the moon is so far away and the blocking is almost exact, so you know, you can actually see the corona. But also, if you think about it, you're watching all of the sunsets and sunrises on the moon at the same time, instead of, you know, just the sunrise or the sunset at once. Well, it's gonna be fun.
So, are we gonna be with my parents or not?
I'll catch up to them.
Okay.
Look at the difference in traffic, though.
Hey, Dad, what's going on?
Hey, are you gonna try to keep up with us, or are you,
Yeah, Cody's just slow.
I know.
Man, everyone's going like 85. The eclipse ain't for another 6 hours, guys. New Mexico, California plates coming up behind us. Traveling 890 at least.
So,
Yeah.
it is 6:40 a.m.
Yep.
We are driving where?
Between Idaho Falls and Rexburg. We got a place set up. So it's right in the middle of the path of totality.
You ready to go see the eclipse?
Oh yeah. Is it weird that I'm most excited about seeing the planets Mars and Mercury at midday?
Yeah, you're kind of weird. That's why I like you.
Alright. So we've stolen a solar light here, and we're gonna see if it comes on during the eclipse. It's gonna be interesting. Oh! It's Alabama license plate. Okay. So we're at our viewing location. Well, the viewing location is in a field just over there. We've got this thing. I've got this telescope. I just set it up. I actually took apart a pair of eclipse glasses to use as the you know, shade, and these actually seem to work really well. You have a look through here. If I can find the sun again. All right. So there's the sun. You can actually see the sunspots. Look at that, right in the middle, there's like 3 of them. Awesome. So yeah, those filters work much better. Alright, so I just heard somebody yell that first contact had happened. So the eclipse has started. Got my time-lapse camera right here. It's aimed sort of at the sky and the ground. In fact, I think what I might do is have both of them over here. Have one aimed sort of more downwards and one more up, so I make sure I catch it. So I've got my little homemade eclipse viewer set up here. Let's see if we can adjust this camera. You can see I've put this on a tripod so I can move it around. It's basically a telescope right now. So now, if we lower this camera down, we should be able to look into that. Yeah, you can kind of see if the camera will actually focus on it. It does indeed have a nick taken out of it. Yeah, so that's the view through the 6-inch telescope with the proper lens. You see those sunspots much better there. Alright, so the sun's about half eclipsed. I've got a magnifying lens here. Can you come focus on the paper?
Yeah.
Now if I focus the magnifying lens, I will actually be focusing an image of the sun. And the image of the sun, or the sun, is about half covered by the moon, so the image should be a crescent shape. I should be able to burn that into the paper if I'm careful here. Alright, I think the paper actually caught fire, but it definitely created a non-symmetrical shape there. See that?
Hold it right there. Yeah.
That's because the crescent shape of the sun was what was burned onto the paper. It works a lot better if I can actually put my regular glasses over top of these glasses. But you can definitely feel the sunlight, the heat is much less. It still looks about the same brightness like when I take these off. That's just because your eyes adjust so well. So we're gonna go find some shadows like from this tree here and see if we can see any crescent shaped shadows. See how the things between the leaves is kind of crescent shaped rather than circular? Like little arcs.
Oh, I should probably take the sunglasses off. Oh, wait.
You say that again, Cedar?
It feels almost like you're wearing lightly tinted sunglasses. And it doesn't dawn on you immediately because it's like it doesn't happen suddenly. It's
No, it
just
doesn't.
a gradual shift over to, you know,
It's just
slightly darker.
right. There we go. The crescent sun. Yeah, it's still daylight though. You really can't tell by just looking at the sun with the camera. Although the little lens flare is definitely a crescent shape. See that? Well, that's cool.
Okay.
Look at that shadow. See right through here? How sharp it is on this edge. How blurred it is over here. It's because it's still got that crescent shape, right? It's weird. I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but the sky is actually getting like a really deeper shade of blue. It's almost like it's sunset. I guess that makes sense.
Wow, look how dark it's getting.
Right?
Hey, look at these, yeah.
Where'd my dot is?
Right by the sun.
Oh, there's a plane going past the sun. That's cool. Camera's having trouble focusing. The sun's still very bright, even though it's... Oh, wow. See, there's a plane up there. Oh man, look how dark it is over there now.
Cody,
Yeah?
there's the cormorants going to roost, some more of them.
Oh, the birds. Don't they do that later in the day?
Yeah. He's like, hey, the shadow's behind us. Look at the shadow!
You can see, I think the streetlights are coming on. Can't really see much. Wow, it is so cold.
The light went on.
I did. Oh, that's so great.
Okay, here comes the diamond. Get ready.
I can see it. It's gone.
Whoa. Cedar, take your glasses off. Just, oh my God.
Amazing.
Look at the, looks like a sunset, but all around. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, sweet. I got one right above us.
Okay, so there's Venus. Yeah, that's Venus.
Now, you'll see the diamond
Okay.
burst when it
I can see either
goes out of totality.
Mercury or... How you doing, puppy? It's definitely, it's twilight, but it's not midnight.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Look at the smoke to the north. It's getting light behind us now.
There's some streetlights up on right there. Is it getting lighter behind us? It is.
Your little lamp came on.
Oh my goodness.
Somebody's shooting off fireworks, huh?
I thought it was just somebody like firing off a gun. I wouldn't be surprised if it was.
Wow.
Now the diamond's
that's
gonna
Venus
be
up
at
there?
the top.
Yeah, Venus is right there. Venus is a lot easier to see though. Yeah, the sun's starting to get brighter now. Keep turning off the camera. Okay. So yeah. Oh, the little light went off. Awesome.
like now we're going to be in hot sunlight again.
You really can't see it. It just is sort of gradual. Camera, stay focused, please.
Wow.
Oh my God.
So it's daylight again here. The mountains are still dark over there.
Right.
What do you think, Kangen? Just
Dude, that
texting your
was
friends?
awesome. I'm just saving a picture I got.
Alright, so I'm going to actually take the camera over there and I'm going to move it so I can see some shadows. Okay, so there's some crescent-shaped shadows. You can see the crescents are on the other side now. My camera just refuses to focus.
Yeah. Myself and I just get blurs.
The light's just weird for it, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
How much did we spend for 2 minutes of... I mean, to be fair, it was a pretty good 2 minutes.
Now that it's after the eclipse, the other side of the shadow should be blurry. Are they?
It's hard to tell.
Uh,
Which side was blurry last time?
this side over here.
Yeah, now this side is blurry.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so the sun just came out from behind the moon. The ground temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. See how that changes in just a few minutes. Let's see, the black cloth is 17 degrees. Okay, about 20 minutes after the eclipse, we got 24 degree ground temperature. That black cloth is about the same. Okay. Well, I guess since it's second morning, let's go eat second breakfast. So the eclipse is over. You can see the shadows now. See how it's blurry on both sides of my fingers and you can't even really see that they're fingers if I get too far away. Yeah, look at that. Shadows are totally different now. Let's see what the temperature of this, what heat gets to. Oh yeah, that got really hot now. 48 degrees C. Let's check the ground temperature. Yeah, it's similar, 50 degrees centigrade. It's a hot day. The sun is scorching right now, but during the eclipse, it got downright cold. Like I wanted to throw on a jacket. I think it got down to 14 C. So that was a lot of fun.
So we are stopped on the road. Where are we, Cody?
But we still haven't left town.
This is
Yukon,
about an
Idaho?
hour after, 2 hours after totality.
Yeah. And all of these license plates are from out of state.
Yeah.
Okay, that one's Idaho. But that one's Arizona. Mostly Utah.
It is packed.
Yeah. It was a lot easier than this coming up.
Yeah, but what time did we come in?
At 6 a.m.
Exactly.
Let's see. Well, we could go in the gas station and see what kind of stuff they've got left. Looks like they're busy too, though.
Is there even a parking space?
There is now. Looks like they stocked up on water. So Kangen's like, I locked the keys in the car. And I was like, but the door's open. How could you? They're in the trunk. Progress update. There is a little thing that folds out that we can access the trunk. But we have to go through a mattress. And to get the whole seat to come out, we need the keys. So this thing here, I'm trying to activate it in order to move the seat. It's got a guard around it to keep that from happening, so if they don't want people breaking into the trunk.
Oh my gosh.
I did it.
Cody to the rescue.
Okay.
Now we just have to figure out how to...
I think
Find them.
I think we can pull the mattress through that hole.
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Yeah. I got the keys.
Oh, okay.
And I'll pass them out. Right by my shoulder.
Success! We can drive home.
We're actually heading back the way we came. We figured that this traffic jam is going to last too long to really wait out, so we're going to try to take back roads and stuff to get out of the thick of it. So that's I-15, I think. Solid all along the southbound lanes. We are on a road paralleling it, and we have traffic too. Look at this.
There's a 9-minute slowdown in 8 miles. You are still on the fastest route.
Thank you, Siri.
So it's 8 o'clock now. We've made it to Pocatello. We're just passing Idaho State University. We left, was it Yukon, Idaho? At about 1:30-ish. So we've been traveling in traffic for the last 7 hours. And looks like it's picking up a little bit, but it'll slow down again. It's very stop and go. There's a lot of people trying to get home. We've got to get back because Kangan's got work tomorrow and the animals. So looks like we're finally out of the thick of it. We're back down around Downley, Idaho. We haven't stopped in the last probably half hour, so we're actually making some progress. You know, I might actually be able to use the cruise control now. Oh, that's nice. Okay. What do you think? Okay. You know, I think it might have got a little bit darker, but this is about how bright it was during the totality right now. Well, what time is it?
It is 8:44.
Okay, so probably around 9 o'clock at night, in the middle of August, is about how bright it was at noon today. Or just before noon. That's cool. Well, I made it back home safe. Here I am in the garden. I was really worried that this was gonna die while I was gone. That was the longest I've left it. And really the only problem it's had is that the cucumbers have now gotten so big they're starting to weigh things down. Look at this. It's a good problem to have, I guess. So yeah, it handled being on its own just fine. I might need to treat again for the fungus, but yeah, we're doing good. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Next video I'll probably be right here.